What's up, guys? Every finance person out there on YouTube right now is so scared to show their account details. And today, I'm going to share with you mine. I'm going to show you my monthly P&L for a small cash account that I have on Webull. I did kind of blur out some of my personal information. And if this video gets to 50 likes, then I will reveal the account size I have for this cash account. Welcome, guys, to another good video here for you guys. Welcome. I am going to showcase to you account details, go over some of the ins and outs of exactly what you are looking at if you're new to Webull, and also share with you some of my profit days, as you can see here for May, and some of my losses that I took as well, revealing it all to you and how I was able to make and lock in just below $300 in the last 30 days. I guess I should have did a custom for the month of May. I guess that would have been a better thing to do here. Let's see if that helps any. There we go. So for the month of May, this will go on track with exactly what this says here for anyone who likes numbers. Cumulative P&L 30% here in a single month, $341 total cash. Realized on that was $333. So that means on a 30%, this would have had or did have in May $1,000 in it, right? If you guys know some simple math, right? Maybe a little more, a little less. But for all of you who join in on the live streams every morning at Market Open that I share with you guys while I trade live, you can see all of my trades that I made each one of these days. Say you are interested in why I took a loss on the 7th of May, you can simply go to the 7th of May on my YouTube channel or in our Discord server and see exactly how that played out. Do you want to know how I made over $217 on May 14th? You can now go and get the live stream video under our Learn to Earn morning live streams where we day trade every morning, and you can see exactly how we were able to make that. So I've been doing a better job at capturing and sharing my thought process behind each trade I take to better assist anyone who is new to investing. I think it's important that everyone learns how to invest and does investing in some form or way that you or they see value in. So let's get on to the video now. If you're not a part of that Learn to Earn team, definitely check it out. First link in the description below. Discord is the second link. All free, 100%. So 30% profit. These are actually all the trades I took within that month. So some big ones was JME or GameStop making $184. So under the stock P&L, you can see specifically which stock and how much profit you took. Looks like about 40 on Apple, almost 40 on Marathon or Mara. 34 on CIO, 30 on Glad, 23 on PFE, and the list goes on, okay? We've been making some trades. Now, the majority of it came, of course, from just a couple of stocks. Our P&L right here showing for the month is 184, and this is obviously not on track with what we just did a second ago, so if I just move that over, it's saying 197. Did I do that right? May to May? Yeah, I did. That's interesting. Oh, this is just GME specifically. So then it shows you your stock P&L here, which you can change, okay? And GME for this month alone made $197, okay? That was GameStop. Now down here it shows your banking where you can deposit, withdrawal, or stock transfer. Let's see, this says for the last month, so you can go to custom again and just do May or whatever month you choose. And this will show you everything that I bought and sold as far as buying and selling stuff. So pretty cool. All your trades are there. Trading records, you know, order times filled, when you made those purchases, when you bought and sold, which you can also find on my Discord channel, new entries. server tab or whatever it's called, which I show you those anyways. You have your total account value, open P&L, total market value, days P&L, buying power, settled cash, unsettled cash. All this stuff unlocks as soon as you unclick this little button here. Risk level, obviously, it will show you that. Then you have a total account value as far as cumulative P&L. You can switch back and forth. And then you have your periodical. This is really cool because it shows you back everything. So in January, look how many red days we had in January first starting out. Look how small the amounts of money were. 45 cents, $1.80, $1.35 because we were managing our risk. And the biggest loss I think on this was the $2.25 in January. So not bad. Our biggest day, it looks like, was here at $3, which was a 10% growth. 5%, 6%, 10%. And then as you go on, February, starting to get a little bit more green, a little less red, starting to make bigger money moves. Dollars, like right here was a $51 loss. That was crazy. And then we slowly recovered it. March, we had a lot more green days, definitely. Still had some red days. Now our green days are getting bigger, $13 there, $16, $17 there. Then suffered some losses like 13 bucks, 20 bucks, 8 bucks. And I hope you guys find this interesting. If you do, let me know in the comments that you find this interesting. If you don't, then, we just won't talk about it no more. It's up to you guys. So some more green days in April. There's some days I didn't even take a trade. There was a whole week I didn't make a single trade. But when I did, making 9 bucks, made 17, made 15, lost 34 there, made 32 back, lost 69 that day, then a bunch of zeros, then made 20 bucks, lost 20, made 15, made almost 15 again, made 25, made 23, and then you get green days like that in a row where that's close to $100 right there, and then some more losses. And then in May, a lot better. Look how much green there is in May. And I didn't miss a single day of trading. See how I missed some days of trading kind of all over. I missed a week there, which is opportunity. I missed a week of opportunity in March. I missed a week of opportunity in April. And now you're seeing way more green days, higher numbers in May to, go along with this number, 341. So $20, $15, $14, $25, $23. $18, $217. That was a really nice day at 16%. 55, 27, 42, 9. Had a little loss here at 34. Recovered it the next day at 42. Another 40. Loss of 14 on Friday. And then a gain of 8 today. Made a bad trade with GME, but made a good trade with Mara. So made $20 today on Mara. You guys can see that right here, $20.81, and made a bad trade. And so, yeah, I hope you guys found this, informational, educational. Maybe it inspires you guys a little bit to start trading on your own. If you do want to trade, you can check the third link down below, and that'll give you access to free shares when you sign up for Webull or MooMoo or Robinhood, whatever platform you decide. Use my link below, get some free shares just for signing up, and start your journey. Start trading, start learning. As you saw, we were making pennies, we were losing pennies, and then we were making dollars and losing dollars, and now we're getting into some big boy money, $20 days, $40 days, $200 day, $50 day. So that's where our goals come in, where for June we are planning on making $1,000 through just investing alone on this single account. And we're going to document the entire thing Monday through Friday. You can watch me trade live at market open, and that's where I place all my trades at the very beginning of the market, as you can see. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Join us by subscribing, and we will see you all in the next one. Thanks, guys. Probably could have just kept talking and talking. So I was like, well, maybe I should stop talking.